Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock witnessed a decline of 14.61%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.62% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and weak rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a possible shift in the trend. With this trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the lower boundary of the trend at $4.18. A reaction back to this level may present a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.45% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.44% to 43.97%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -3.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -9.80% to 82.53% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.37 and $6.83. Our latest daily update for NIO highlights a red day on Thursday for NIO stock, which experienced a decline of 1.58%. On the most recent trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of April 2025, the NIO stock price dropped from $3.80 to $3.74. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.13%, reaching a low of $3.63 and a high of $3.78. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, reflecting an overall drop of 20.59% during this period. Furthermore, trading volume also declined on this day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the stock's price. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $131.77 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.57. Currently, the price stands at 51.49%, or $3.97, below the 52-week high, and 94.42%, or $63.25, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price soared to $66.99. Shares of NIO Incorporated have recently experienced a decline of over 4%, despite the company reporting a significant year-over-year increase in deliveries from March and the first quarter of 2025. This uptick stands in contrast to larger competitor Tesla, whose deliveries did not meet expectations, suggesting that NIO may be capitalizing on shifting market dynamics. However, NIO's stock has plummeted approximately 41% in the past 6 months, nearing its 52-week low, indicating persistent market challenges. The market appears to be reacting cautiously to NIO's mixed financial performance. Although vehicle margins improved slightly, missed earnings estimates contribute to a negative sentiment. The current valuation places NIO as one of the cheapest electric vehicle stocks, which may attract bargain hunters in the long run. In the short term, investor sentiment could remain bearish until more consistent profit generation is demonstrated. Long-term prospects depend significantly on NIO's ability to enhance profitability and leverage its growing delivery numbers. As competition intensifies, the effectiveness of NIO's battery swap strategy and the introduction of new models will be crucial in solidifying its position in the evolving electric vehicle market. Overall, while recent delivery growth is promising, the existing stock price pressures suggest that caution remains prudent for investors considering an entry point. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $3.88 and $4.44. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 28.35%. Further declines are anticipated until a new lower pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume diminished alongside the price during the last trading session, which alleviates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have presented a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger signals suggest a buy opportunity from 18 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a sell 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal just 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock exhibits considerable daily movement, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 15 cents between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 4.13%. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 4.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potentially increase the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 13 cents. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? The NIO stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we expect NIO to open lower by approximately 2.33 cents and begin trading at $3.72. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.